Today I am reviewing this LED chandelier. Pretty cool design. See the LED strips all around it. Nice matte black finish there. And then it has these wires that go up and they're easily adjustable on the top. You just pull on them. You can pull it in. You see the little connectors there, and then it'll automatically get it whatever length you want, which is pretty cool. So you can have it be really low or high. Pretty cool stuff. It also comes with a remote, and something else is nice. Like, look at these quick connects. So you don't need wire nuts. You just put the wire in there, snap this down, and it's good. Let's go ahead and install it and see. So here it is all installed. Looks really cool. It's a cool music note, and these wires are really easy to adjust. If it's a little off, when you just pull it up at the top. If it's a little off, not quite level, you can do that to pull it up once it's installed. No big deal. This could also come down a lot lower if you have tall ceilings, and it could also work on an angled ceiling because you could adjust the wires at different lengths. Comes with this remote right here. Just turned it on, and then has night mode. That's pretty cool. Very faint light. A couple different modes. You have a timer on here, and then you can adjust it, up or down, dim or brighten as well. Different shades. Awesome. Really cool, especially if you are a music lover. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.